the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, power front seats, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power liftgate, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.